Welcome to Soothing Pod's meditation. In today's meditation, we will be exploring the power of gratitude and harnessing it for our happiness. I invite you to begin by bringing yourself to a comfortable seated position, either on the floor, a chair, or a bench. Sit tall, allowing your shoulders to relax, your belly to soften, and your hands to rest wherever they are comfortable. Soften the forehead as you begin to release any tension that might be lingering from the day, and then draw your attention to the natural flow of your breath. Without having to do anything in particular, the breath flows by an unconscious force. As it does, it nourishes our cells as we inhale and helps to rid our bodies of carbon dioxide as we exhale. On your next inhalation, open your heart and belly to this blessing of your breath. And when you exhale, surrender the air and any thoughts that no longer serve you. Continue to breathe slowly and steadily, inviting the breath to soften any parts of the body that remain tense. Now draw your attention to the surface beneath you, noticing the sensations of the chair, bench, or ground that holds you. Noting all points of your body that are in contact with the earth, feel yourself rooting into this present time and space more assuredly. Notice where tense muscles continue to soften and where the breath begins to deepen as you become more relaxed and settled in this moment. Spend just a few more full breath cycles in silence, witnessing the beauty and simplicity of this experience. Gratitude is a powerful practice. While seemingly simple, the effects of it are profound. Studies have found that higher levels of gratitude are associated with increased mood, improved sleep, and lower levels of certain inflammation markers, suggesting that gratitude has a positive effect on both mind and body. Gratitude is a gateway to contentment. Or, in the words of Melody Beattie, gratitude unlocks the fullness of life. It turns what we have into enough and more. It turns denial into acceptance, chaos to order, confusion to clarity. At the same time, gratitude does not deny us the capacity to see things that need to change, such as unhealthy relationships or harmful environments. While we always maintain our ability to experience a range of human needs and emotions, gratitude helps to shift our mind from a perspective of lack to one of abundance. We can practice gratitude for things both big and small, tangible and intangible, inner and outer. The more we practice gratitude, the more our mind shifts to see the good in the world. And this is what brings us peace, happiness, and contentment. So I invite you to return to your breath now, to explore the power of gratitude for a few moments. Begin by honing in on the rhythm of your breath once again, silently giving thanks to this intuitive life force that makes life possible. Shift your attention to the physical body, noting all the cells, all the organs, and all the activity that there is to be grateful for. Now, tune in once again to the earth beneath you, making note of its strength and support. Consider all the blessings that the earth and its elements provide: rich soil, nutritious and oxygen-granting plant life, lakes, rivers, and oceans, and anything else that comes to your awareness. Now consider the unique details of your own life. Who do you have to be grateful for? And what is it about them that you appreciate? Exploring further, what conveniences do you have access to that make your life easier and safer than it might otherwise be? And then tune back into the world within you, not to your physical body, but to your soulful one. What qualities and gifts do you presently embody that you are grateful for? Now, before we end this practice, allow your mind to expand to its outer edges, giving any final silent words of thanks for any additional blessings that come to mind. Take one more full, mindful breath now, noticing the natural ebb and flow of its rhythm. With eyes remaining closed for just a final moment, draw your awareness back to your physical body in the room. And when you are ready, gently open your eyes. I hope you enjoyed today's meditation. See you again.